Hey, what's up guys, this is your friend Captain Levels back with another unboxing, and this time around we are unboxing a TWS from a brand known by pTron, and this is the pTron Bassbuds Flute, and this is what the retail box packaging looks like. So we're gonna talk about each and everything in this today's video, so without any further ado, let's simply get started. So this is how the retail box packaging looks like. Over here, as you can see, the brand name itself, the Bassbuds. Over here, Bassbuds Fute, TWS, earbuds, and some key specifications. The key specification maintains as a 25 hours of playtime and a feather light birds. We're gonna check about those things and some of the marketing stuff and stuff. Over here, there are some another quick specifications such as Bluetooth 5.1. It got a Wi-Fi range of wireless range of 10 meters, which is nice. Type-C port is that, and 25 hours of playback time. It got two color options, black and white, but I kind of say we got is a black color. And total play time for the 24 hours, 25 hours with the case. I don't know about the how much time it will take individually. So here is my not so professional knife. You're gonna cut open this over here, and let's see how the box packaging of the pTron Bassbuds looks like. So yeah, I opened the box. It took some time, but yeah. So opening the box, on the top you are going to receive is a warranty card and stuff. Yeah, that's kind of a instruction manual and limited warranty video. This is nice that they hadn't used a cheap type of papers and stuff. So over here, opening the box, on the top you are going to receive is the buds itself. They aren't inside this case, but they are alone. And taking the another off, yeah, we're gonna take a look at that, and that's the case. The case comes in this nice looking case, by the way, and a Type-C to Type-C cable. So that was some box content, not this is an unprofessional knife. And yeah, those were some box content. Now let's take a look at those TWS. So let me just give you a quick physical overview of this pTron Bassbuds Fute TWS, whatever you want to call it. Over here, as you can see, this is kind of a locking mechanism, which is really nice, and it feels sturdy, by the way. Or the pTron branding, pTron logo, LED light on the bottom, Type-C port, and yeah, the design looks really nice. Taking off the pTron Bassbuds, these are having a magnetic connection port, a LED, and yeah, over here there is kind of a microphone, and left and right indicators are on them. And the whole body is made out of plastic. So yeah, it okayish. And here in the price point, we're gonna talk about that also. It is nice, even it feels heavier in the hand. And physical overview and the first impressions are really compact because it feels completely inside my hand. And yeah, it is nice. The physical overview gives really good attention to detail, and kind of say this buds feels really nice and lightweight also, and even sometimes it feels cheaper when you touch it, but give it a chance, it is good. So this is now the pairing time of the pTron TWS of Bassbuds, and this our flute 5.1 version is there. This guy is rocking with the 5.0. This is a Android phone. It is budget based Android phone. M31 SV unboxed there. Anyways, not talk about this now. This. So let's turn on the Bluetooth. I once connected, and now let's see if it directly connects itself. So firstly, you have to take off the AirPods, or you can say this earbuds from the case, and let's see, it got the auto connect. Okay, it got the auto connection, and it is now says to be connected for call and audio. 70% battery is there on this, which is nice. They got some juice, and now it's gonna be helpful for me. So here now it's time to check the latency. If you are using this TWS for the gaming purposes, then how the latency and that all stuff will be coming out. So I got my microphone over here, and one TWS on the top. You might be able to hear it, the sound. I don't know about myself anyways. One will be going into my ears, so I'll be judging on those thoughts. So yeah, I won one of that, and so anyways, the latency and all stuff on this experience is okay. It is not that much good, but it is not that much bad. You can go and get yourself casual gaming and you can warm this up. It is nice. And yeah, latency works. Over the hand, it feels really nice, the wearing and comfortable. It is okay. Now let's talk about some of the technical specifications and some of the ratings given to this Basssbuds. This guy is rocking themselves with the battery firstly. This each buds are having a 30 mAh of battery and 250 hours in the case. Not 250 hours. A 250 mAh of battery is in the case, which is really nice. Talking secondly, the rating, it is having a IPX4, which is for the sweat proof and stuff. Don't use it too much in the water, yeah, because it is having only IPX4. Talking third thing, the audio itself. Audio on the papers, it is having a passive noise cancellation. Also on the top of it, it is also having a Bluetooth 5.1, 13 millimeters of drivers are there, and it got a 10 meters of range, which is really nice. And it can't connect itself with the two devices, it only connects with the one at a time. So yeah, that might be information which can be helpful to you. Yeah, now the third thing is that what it got another things. It, as I told you, it got in-ear style, and it got a microphones on the top. 25 hours of playtime has been given, and the voice assistant is there. And kind of say 25 hours is given on the technical specs, but don't judge it that it might be below 25 hours. So yeah, now let's talk about the weight. This guy is rocking, the each buds are rocking themselves with the 3.7 grams, and the case itself is really lightweight too. Also on the top of it, the company recommends to use only 5 to 5 watt of adapter. So yeah, make sure you use the 5 watt, because this guy isn't rocking themselves with the fast charging. And it got a type C port for the charging and the raw stuff. So yeah, those are some of the technical specifications. Now let's talk about the audio and the raw stuff. Let's talk about the audio quality, or you can say the songs or music which you're gonna be hearing from these pTron Basssbuds. Basically, kind of say it is perfect in the terms of the audio, in the sense of the singer who is singing on that sense. The bass is really nice, the punches are really perfect, and the vocals of the person next to the in the sing is perfect. Talking about the secondary thing, if you are on the call and stuff, I'll give you a quick audio test in a bit and you can hear that out. And what if there is a latency and the phone is being heated? If the phone is being heated, then there will be a kind of a small delay. So yeah, in the audio of if you are on the call, then only it will want to be happening. In the terms of the gaming, my phone wasn't heating, I don't know why, but if it hits, same might be going over that. Currently, the audio which you are hearing is directly from the pTron TWS. Let me know in the comment section down below how does it feels, and what if I don't speak, then it won't be sounding like that. And kind of say it got some of the distortions going on inside, and not inside the TWS, means outside in my background. So that might be helpful. If you are able to hear it, it might be helpful to judge upon the microphone of this pTron Bassbuds Fute 5.1 version. Now let's talk let me know in the comment section down below. TWS, what I think it stands out. Firstly, the price point. I got it for 999 INR under 1000. No. It was even under that, it was 899, and that makes a lot of sense to buy this thing. And at a first glance, the design, it is really nice. I love the design, the transparent look-alike design, and it makes some sort of sense. Talking about the TWS, the fit. The fit isn't that much good. It is comfortable in my ears. I don't know about yours, but kind of a say it is not locked inside your ears. If you do your head moved around, then it might be able to fall off due to not having the silicone tapes. But I like this type of designs because I was too much into the AirPods type of designs, and this makes some sort of sense to that thing. So yeah, it's the in-ear type design, as I told you. Talking about the another thing is about audio quality. Audio quality is great. The bass, the punches are really fun, but if you go about 90%, then it distorts it out. Talking about the spatial audio, spatial noise cancellation, kind of as a partial noise. It kind of as a cancels when you go around a 50%, then only it will be able to cancel out some of the background noises, because that makes sense. Your ear don't want to hear the outside world. The other thing, the battery backup. Battery backup is great. It is giving a good battery backup. I was around 8 hours completely wearing this, and it feels that 8 hours were done, and still this guy was having some juice. But in between, I have to take them off and put them in the case to give them juice. Juice in the sense the power of the battery. 30 mAh doesn't make any sense, because they are too much lighter that you can even forget that they have been worn on your ears. Talking about the another thing, should you buy it? Definitely. At this price point, under 1000, you can definitely grab this up. And if it around 1200 INR, then you can definitely go and grab this up. And it makes sense over that. And above it, don't buy it. On the website, it was listed around 3000 INR, and that doesn't make any type of sense for a lot of reasons not to buy it. That was pTron TWS, and this was the second TWS unboxed on this channel, and kind of say the third audio device unboxed on this channel. Let me know in the comment section down below. Do you enjoy this? And first time we do something different, that we added two new things: audio test, and another thing was that latency test. A latency test. It wasn't that much great. Let me know. It was great. Then also let me know in the comment section down below. What should we add more on the review of the TWS and stuff? Let me know in the comment section down below. This was Captain DRS, and you were watching KRS and DRS. We will catch you in the next video. Like it and subscribing. Gonna be appreciating our work. Share among those who are thinking to buy this up, and also press the bell icon so you get connected with this YouTube channel. I'll catch you in the next video. As again, Captain DRS signing off. Peace out.